I don't have these connected to my house yet because I got a few cameras like this around the property, and I haven't identified where exactly I want to install this one. But it's real simple. You just screw the bolts on here and it'll be good to go. But all I got to do is I got to pull up the Cloud Eye app right here, and then what it's going to do is it's going to actually identify the two cameras that I have on. One I've got sitting on the kitchen table and the one I have in my hand, and then all I got to do is push play. Now what's happening here, as you see, it's already got all kinds of different controls, and we can do sound on here. But let me blow this one up single so you can see this is actually what I'm viewing. So if I turn this camera, you can see that's exactly what's happening right there. And then I can turn it sideways if I'd like to, and I can get the screen bigger. The other thing too is if you'll hold that, just point it somewhere towards there, that's good. If you do that, I can actually do this, pinch the zoom, and get the get exactly where I'm looking at. But what's nice is you have the ability also to do voice. You can talk on it. It will send you alerts if something comes on your property. Motion detection, obviously. And you can really zoom in well and see everything. And again, night vision, can't go wrong with that. And there's a cloud-based thing as well as an SD card if you wanted to record things. So if a motion detection is tripped or you want to record something that's on your screen right now, you just push the buttons on here. There's actually a record button right here. You could click that and you're now going to record this. But let's go inside real quick. We'll finish up and I'll show you the rest of it. Okay, in case I didn't mention, you can actually connect up to four security cameras at the same time with this.